Hi everybody. Today we will be starting with a new topic that is generative AI, which is a game changer for industries and enterprises. Basically, generative AI is transforming the industry by revolutionizing the productivity, reshaping business model, and creating entirely new capabilities. Before starting, first we will see some most common generative AI tools, that is ChatGPT, Gemini, Midjourney, Llama, which is a part of Meta, GitHub Copilot, Devin, Perplexity, Claude, Microsoft Copilot, and Fidelity. So these are some most common generative AI tools. Now let's understand what is generative AI. Then what how they are different from traditional AI, and then we will start what are the major impacts of this generative AI on industries. So the first we will understand what is generative AI. Basically, it is a type of artificial intelligence that focus on creating original new content that previously does not exist. And traditional AI, they will analyze the data to make predictions or clarifications, but generative AI create new data and content. The main comparison is that traditional AI is like an art critic who analyze the painting, but generative AI is an artist who create a new painting. Simple. Now let's understand the first and most important impact of generative AI on industry is the unprecedented boost in productivity and efficiency. Unknown boost in productivity and efficiency. Simple. They will augmenting human workforce. That means they will increase human workforce. Generative AI act as a powerful co-pilot for knowledge workers. It automates routine and time-consuming tasks such as drafting emails, creating presentations, writing and debugging codes, and summarizing long documents and analyzing the data sets also. Then we will see quantifiable gains. Many sources say the productivity increase of 14% or more, with the most significant jump among novice and low skilled workers, effectively leveraging the performance of entire team. Then we will see how they will faster the development cycle for software developers. Tools like GitHub Copilot, they will suggest the code and complete functions and check for errors. Dramatically, it reducing development time and allow engineers to focus on more complex and creative problem solving also. Then we comes across another impact, that is the fundamental transformation of operations and customer experience. Generative AI is moving beyond productivity to redefine core business functions. The first is hyper personalization at scale. Companies can use AI to generate personalized marketing copy, tailor product recommendations, and create dynamic customer communication, moving from segment based marketing to segment of one approach. Then we are seeing revolutionizing customer support. AI powered chatbots and virtual agents have evolved from simple scripted responders to sophisticated collaborators that can understand complex intent, resolve issue in natural language, and they will provide 24 by 7 support, drastically improving customer satisfaction and reducing cost also. Then we are seeing optimizing supply chain and operations. Generative models can analyze vast amount of operational data to predict demand fluctuations, and they will optimizing logistic routes. They will identify potential disruptions and generate scenario for strategic planning and making entirely supply chain more resilient and efficient. Then we see the another impact, that is catalyzing innovation and new business model. The game changing nature of AI lies in its ability to generate novel content and solutions, and they will also opening new uh, innovations also. The first we are seeing accelerating R&D and creativity in industries like pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and manufacturing. Generative AI is used to design molecule for drugs, create innovative product design, and simulate engineering outcomes comprising innovation cycle from years to month. Then we are seeing democratization of creativity and expertise. Tools like ChatGPT and Dell E allow individuals without specialized training to generate high quality text, image, and video. This lowers the barriers to entry for content creation, design, software development, empowering small business to compete with large players. Then we are seeing the emergence of AI agent beyond the chatbots. The next frontier is AI agent, autonomous system that can execute multiple step tasks such as conducting market research, managing a full marketing campaign, or onboarding a new employee by connecting with other software systems. Okay. Then we see the another impact is, basically it is not the impact, after understanding some game changing potentials, of course they have some significant risk also. So that is critical challenge and the needs for responsible implementation. Hallucination and accuracy. Generative AI can generate plausible sounding but incorrect or fabricated information. Enterprises must implement rigorous human in the loop review process, especially in high stakes area like legal, medical, financial advice. Then we are saying in data privacy, security, and bias, using proprietary data to train or query AI models raises major concern about data leakage and intellectual property and copyright infringement. Furthermore, models can perpetuate and amplify societal biases present in their training data. With this, the human factor and change management. Successfully implementing AI is less about the technology and more about people. It requires upskilling employees and redefining role and managing cultural resistance to ensure human and AI collaborate effectively. Then we are seeing strategic integration. The biggest mistake is to treat AI as a toy. As noted by many sources, it must be strategically integrated into core business process to realize its full value, requiring leadership from top down. Okay. Then we understand, if we're talking about industry specific, so they are useful for financial services, used for risk management, fraud detection, generating investment insight, and personalized client reports. In healthcare field, they will accelerating drug discovery, personalizing treatment plan, and automating medical document. In legal, they will drafting and reviewing contract and conducting legal research, analyzing case law. In manufacturing, they will optimizing design process, predicting maintenance needs, and improve quality control also. So these all are the impact and the challenges or industry specific points on generative AI. Now let's conclude all the things, that the collective insight from your source is clear that the generative AI is a foundational platform shift. It is a game changing nature stem from its unique ability to understand, generate, and generate a regions with unstructured data in a way that previous technology could not. The business that will win in this new era are not those that are simply use AI to cut cost, but those that reimagine their process and business model around these new capabilities, all while navigating its risk with a firm commitment to responsible and ethical implementation. And I think it's transforming the enterprises from static operators into intelligent and continuously learning organization. That's it, and this is all about the generative AI, how they will be a game changer. In next video, we will taking example, and we implement all these impact which we study today, and create a new business, and also study some case study which are already present. Thank you.